Hello guys, how are you doing? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, good night. Okay, depends by where you are. Let me take this opportunity to thank all of you for watching this video. By watching this video, it means a lot to me. Okay, I'm coming live from Africa, Kenya. To be specific, my village is called Nyabohanse village. Oh my goodness. I'm glad. For the returning subscribers, keep on returning. You know you're in my heart. And for those who are watching my videos without subscribing, guys, this is the first thing you should do. Please don't watch the video before subscribing. The first thing you should do after seeing this beautiful charming princess, after seeing me, the first thing you should do is to click that subscription bell twice and put on the notification because my videos are always interesting and beautiful. Don't ever miss any video of this beautiful lady. So guys, this beautiful morning, being a Sunday morning, I really want to take you to this beautiful journey of you knowing how do we prepare something that we call matoke. Guys, I know you have been hearing, watching videos of matoke everywhere, but mine is going to be finger licking. Mine is going to be mouth watering. Guys, you have never seen these miracles that I want to perform right here. Have you? No. Stay tuned. Let me start by preparing everything. Come with me. I'm removing this firewood outside. Yes. Just like this. And then without wasting time, I'm gonna clean up the space before cooking. You understand? Yeah. Cleaning up the space before cooking. The space must be clean. I think that's enough for this video. So the next thing I want to do is to light my fire. Yeah, I'm gonna remove this small firewood. You know, when you're starting lighting firewood, you have to start with this small firewood. That, there's the other one. So I'll use this one. But before that, you're asking yourself, what is she talking about? Right here, I'm having the mixture of potatoes and bananas, what we call matoke. In Nigeria, they call them plantain. But in Kenya, we call it matoke too, like Uganda. I know most of you know that Uganda is the only country that plants a lot of bananas, but we have them. Like for me, if you watch my videos, we have a lot of them, like we really like matoke. But in Kenya, they don't like cooked matoke. Most of the people, a big percentage of people, they like ripe bananas compared to matoke. But when you can taste my matoke, my friend, you will start liking matoke from that very minute you have tasted my matoke. I want to give the recipe. So here I'm having my bananas. We got matoke, the raw ones, and then the green ones, and then we have the sweet potatoes. Oh no, sorry, the Irish potatoes. Sorry guys. Yeah, I want to mix them, and it's going to be finger licking. I'm done. I'm done with peeling the potatoes and bananas. So I really want to wash them. I'm washing them. And then while they are soaking, I need to light the fire. Let me stand by this side so that you can see. Before I do that, I need to light the fire first. That's what I need to do. Oh, I pray it lights. I don't want to repeat by lighting the fire. I pray so that it will light. Please don't disappoint me. Oh gosh. I don't like repeating. I like it when I light for the first time, it goes. Yeah, finally, I'm happy. Yeah, guys, I want you to see what I'm doing here. Let me bring these things closer. So, guys, I'm starting with my tomatoes here, my onions. I need to wash them. I need to cooking oil, and then onions. Then gonna use 2 tomatoes and capsicum. I'm gonna cut them into this plate as the onions are turning goldish brown. Yeah. I'm cutting them into small pieces so that it's be easy for them to crush. Let me say that. Oh, something biting me. Then then capsicum. I'm cutting the capsicum into small pieces too. The mixture, I mix them, all of them, and then I'm using my cooking stick to stir them. I leave them for a while. Then yeah, so I'm looking for these small sticks to make my fire, to make my work easier by lighting my fire. This one doesn't have. I think this one has. Yeah, I wanted to light that way. My waist piece is moving. I think I'm growing fat because my waist bead keep on dropping down every time. You know? And then I'm gonna add salt. Oops. Yeah, so let me look for these small sticks. I need to look for these small sticks, honestly. going to add the mixture inside. That, that, that. And then I add water till it's on top of the my food, and then I close using my lid. Then I light this fire. It should cooperate. It really should cooperate a lot. Yeah, now we leave the food to boil. Yes. Okay, I'm glad because the minutes are like the time is ready. Let's see if it's already cooked or we did our. The aroma, guys. I'm just. It's ready. So let us remove it from the fire, and then we'll have to serve it here. Ooh. So for the firewood, I'm going to remove the firewood. I'm gonna clear up the space. Yeah. Let us first see how it is. Oh, okay. I'm going to serve. This is enough. Oh. So I'm gonna eat. Let me taste again. Woo! This is the best. The soup is something else. Mmm. Guys, it's hot. But I can't keep calm. I have to eat. Mm. Oh, I'm glad we have come to the end of this beautiful video. Yeah. I can't even talk. I'm really burning, but I can't just keep calm. Mm. So my people, I'm glad we've come to the end of this video, and it's so great. So guys, consider subscribing, please guys. If all of you who are viewing my video could just subscribe, please, 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 please do me a favor. If you have seen my video, just subscribe. Yeah, subscribe, watch my videos, and then the most important thing, join my membership. Yeah, join my membership. I have the link, I can send it to you, or you can join through my profile. There is some where you're being instructed to join. You're being told there in my account, like, join. You just tap join and then you join. So delicious. No spices, no like those advanced spices. It's just tomato and onion, oil and salt. I'm done. Guys, this is my breakfast. Imagine I haven't eaten from since I ate last night. You know, for us here, we don't have fridges to keep food that when you wake up, just take a snack and eat. Guys, please, I'm repeating this, join my membership. And then please subscribe first. As you continue watching my video, please subscribe, like, leave a positive comment, join my membership, share the video. That's all. If you want to surprise me this love month, February, it's love month. It's a month of love. It's a month of showing people love. Yeah, I'm receiving gifts from all over the world. You can buy me iPhone 15. You can buy me anything. Oh my God, I'm just okay. Yeah, guys, it's good to show love. Even me, I will show people some love. So yeah, show me love this love month, wherever you're watching me from. Let me feel loved. Okay, guys, I love you all, my fans. You're the best. I'll keep on updating you and uploading beautiful content for you, showing you my community, mostly cooking different types of foods. Yeah, tell me in the comment section what you want me to do, and I'll do it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching me. Thank you. See you in my next video. I don't want to go. I just want to stay and see you guys so that you can see me. Okay. See you in my next video. Tara. Bye.